Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from Amazon. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to turn off notifications from Amazon. Maybe you don't want to know when they have promotions or discounts or sales running. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is we're going to go to the settings tab of our phone. Now once you're in the settings tab, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says notifications, which is located above sounds and haptics. Now on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Amazon. Click on the Amazon app, and then from here, you're going to see that it says allow notifications and that there's a toggle on or off button. So if I click on this toggle button, which is this green button on the upper right hand corner, that's going to go ahead and turn my notifications off. But if I toggle it back on, that's going to go ahead and turn my notifications back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications from Amazon. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.